So today's video is going to be how to use SI Drive for Dummies, and this is just going to be the simplistic version of how to use this. So starting right off the bat, you can see we turned my car on and it automatically put it in S, which is Subaru's just default. They just default put it in S for sport. And this is not going to be the mode you're going to want to be in for daily use. Daily use, press it down. Daily use, and this just intelligent. This is where you get your best MPG of like 23 is what Subaru claims this one gets, but I yet to see 23 even. But moving on, going back to S, you're just gonna turn to the left. You can hear it click when I do that, and it just turns it back into sport. My camera can't focus worth a right now, but yeah. And then sport, you're gonna have more linear. It's gonna be more smoother on acceleration. You're gonna have more power than intelligent, but not by much. You're gonna have good power still, but it's gonna be more smooth on the throttle. Like, you're gonna have to lay into it and you'll feel it smoothly accelerate. And you'll see why I say that. When you put it in Sport Sharp, this is not smooth at all. When you barely touch the throttle, it's just boost. That's all it is. All you hear is turbo noise in Sport Sharp. This is the one you're gonna want to be in if you're gonna want to be showing off to the broskies, or you're gonna want to be showing off to the lady friend, or whatever you're doing. You know, if you're racing, whatever. This is your mode you're gonna want to be in for that. And this is the mode where your power is gonna kick on right away. So the big difference with this is the real reason behind this. Subaru takes it, and let's say you're pushing 20% down in intelligent mode when you're just daily driving it. Pushing 20% down, pushing that same 20% on the throttle, the same spot. If you change it over to Sport Sharp while you're pushing that 20%, that 20% automatically turns to like 60% for Sport Sharp. Basically, MPG mode, in between, and full on power. That's basically what you're gonna have here. You're gonna have full on power way down in the end of the pedal in intelligent mode. But if you want to just savor gas and you can get into the throttle and act like you're driving a Pontiac Vibe, that's what you want, is intelligent mode. This car is literally a Pontiac Vibe in intelligent mode. I you not. So, anyways, guys, that's gonna be SI Drive for Dummies. I appreciate you guys watching today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like on it. If you want to comment down below what you guys think or add into this for better perspective. I am really bad about explaining stuff, so I apologize if I'm confusing people even more. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a great week.